Welcome you all to HistoryAura. In this video, I will talk about modern India encompasses.
Arrival of Europeans, Portuguese, Dutch, British, Danish, French. British Imperial expansion, Bengal, Mysore, Marathas, Punjab, Awadh. British Imperial policies, Wellesley, Subsidiary alliance, Dalhousie's policies. British economic policies, land revenue policies, commercialization of agriculture, industrial policies, decline of handicrafts, railways, drain of wealth. British administrative policies, civil services, police, military, economic policies. British socio-cultural policies, education, social reforms. Indian response, tribal and peasant revolts, Revolt of 1857. Indian social and economic reform movements, Raja Ram Mohan Roy and others. Indian national movement, rise of nationalism, establishment of Congress. Different ideologies, moderates, extremists, revolutionaries, Gandhian, socialist. Partition of India and independence.
Thank you all for watching HistoryAura. Stay connected for more informative videos. Bye bye.